You're at home with Mark Carpio. Paano nga ba ang bukas natin ngayong mayroon ng iba? Pangakong hindi na dumating, tinig lang ang laging yakap-yakap. Actually, mahaba kasi yung kwento, 10 years din. Pero kidding aside, these songs that I have now sa EP are also songs that I'm trying to finish back then 10 years ago. So, ito yung mga unfinished songs ko. And then I realized na I think it's about time to close that chapter muna. Kasi yung story niyan is The Healing was written when I was in search for love. And then Kay Tagal was written, I was actually writing my future love story. And then I got engaged last year. So, paano naman kung nawala yung binawi ni Tadhana yung pagkatagal-tagal mong hinintay? So sabi ko, pag nangyari yun, parang hindi ko na kaya magmahal ulit. That's why this album is called Huling Pag-ibig. Because it talks about that journey. So, bakit nga ba last mo na siya sa ballad? Kasi yun yung story arc niyan eh. So, I think it's right to finish it with that arc. And also at the same time, yung paalam na, it's actually medyo alternative because I started with an alternative band before. Doon ako nag-start and then nag-shift lang ako from ballad. Kaya I'm closing it with that song also. Di na sapat ang pag-ibig, tadana'y bumitaw. Ito na ba ang katapusan? Hanggang dito na lang. Eto bukas muli nang mag-isa. Paalam na mahal. Alam kong di na matatagpuan tulad mo sa kahit na sino man. Paalam na. Actually, hindi naman kasi I've written more than enough ballads. It's been 10 years writing ballads, no? So I think trying something new is not really that risky for me. Kasi I've tried different music in between naman. And syempre, depende yan sa tao eh. You'll just tap different audiences. So for me, I think it's a strategic move. Kailan mo pa ba naramdamang wala nang pagmamahal? Kailan ka pa ba nagtitiis? Kailan ba nagsimulang magpanggap? Aminin mo sa'kin, handa nang masaktan. Ito na ba ang katapusan? Hanggang dito na lang. Eto bukas muli nang mag-isa. Paalam na mahal. Alam kong di na matatagpuan tulad mo sa kahit na sino man. Paalam na. Actually, 5 years relationship kasi yun, and then they broke up without proper closure. So, na-realize ko na, teka, parang ito yung hinahanap na story nung song. Kasi nagigita-gitara siya doon. Sabi ko, sulat nga tayo, meron akong kanta dito eh. And then, bigla na lang siyang nag-flow eh. Wala wala naman nagsabi sa akin na, hindi, ito na yung nahanap kong story. Basta, it just felt right. So, yun yung natapos yung song. Yung paalam na, nung 10 years ago ang line yan, yun na talaga. Paano nga ba ang bukas natin ngayong mayroon ng iba? So, it talks about, moving forward, pero nauna siyang mag-move forward sa'yo. So, how do you deal with it? Nauna siyang nagkaroon ng partner kaysa sa'yo, nauna siyang sumaya. Tapos here you are, dun mo pala makukuha yung closure mo nung masaya na siya sa'yo. So, yun yung nung song, pinaka-essence niya. Paalam na. Paalam na. Paalam na. Paalam na. Paalam na. Follow me on all my social media platforms. It's Mark Carpio. I'm also with my bandmates here, the Tios. They've been friends for so long. So, actually, hinila ko lang yung mga yan. Hindi, joke lang. So, just follow us on all of our socials. If you want to hear more of us, just search Mark Carpio on all social media platforms. At the same time, you can also follow me on TikTok. It's Mark Carpio Music. Meron kaming ginagawa doon na series na ang tawag doon, Kapitayo. And also, we're trying to do a snippets of podcast. Kasi, aside from just living a moment, joining a moment with the fans, we also try to join their journey as they go through their love stories. So, we talk about love advice, we talk about experiences, and we talk about their stories. So, kung gusto nyo magkwento doon, just do follow me and just comment on my videos.